In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an ebook fast and sell it online using ChatGPT. If you've been thinking about publishing your own digital book but aren't sure where to start, ChatGPT can help you organize your ideas, generate content, and create a professional draft much faster. In this tutorial, I'll show you a simple workflow that takes you from choosing a topic to preparing your ebook for online sales. To begin, open your web browser and go to the ChatGPT website. Sign into your account so you can save your conversation and return to it later if you need to make changes. Once you're signed in, start a new chat to keep your ebook project organized in one place. Now, enter a clear prompt describing the type of ebook you want to create. Include the topic, your target audience, and the purpose of the book. For example, you can ask ChatGPT to create an educational ebook for beginners on a specific subject. The more details you provide, the better the generated content will match your expectations. After ChatGPT creates an outline, review it carefully. Make sure the chapters are arranged in a logical order and cover everything you want to include. If you'd like to add, remove, or rearrange sections, simply ask ChatGPT to revise the outline before moving on. Taking a little extra time at this stage helps create a more organized final ebook. Once you're satisfied with the outline, ask ChatGPT to write each chapter one at a time. This approach makes it easier to review the content as it's created and allows you to request revisions whenever necessary. If you want a specific writing style, tone, or reading level, include those details in your prompts so the content stays consistent throughout the book. When the entire ebook has been completed, read through each chapter carefully. Correct any wording that doesn't sound natural, verify important facts, and make sure the formatting is consistent from beginning to end. You can also ask ChatGPT to help improve the introduction, conclusion, or chapter summaries if needed. After your ebook is finalized, save it in your preferred document format. Then create an attractive cover and prepare a compelling title and description that clearly explain what readers will learn. Finally, publish your ebook on your preferred online marketplace or digital selling platform. Complete the required listing information and make it available for customers to purchase. That's all there is to it. With a clear topic, detailed prompts, and a little refinement, you can create an ebook quickly using ChatGPT and prepare it for online sales. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,